So this is a big update we're getting in right now. Delhi Police Special Cell says that this is not a blast, but of course it is being ascertained exactly what has happened, because Harsha, what we do know is that the embassy spokesperson also said that they heard something, they did hear something, and there was something happening. Of course, they do have very limited information on that, and so do we as of now. As you were telling us, forensic team has also left the spot right now. Everyone is waiting for more information and official information, in fact, on what exactly has happened. But since there are some eyewitness accounts also coming out where they are mentioning that there was a smoke that they could see, and police also have taken the statement of the eyewitness as well. But what we know is that there is no blast as such. There's no bomb blast that has happened. Harsha, it becomes very important since there have been a lot of political, international politics have been really debating about what is happening. Israel engaged with its operation in the Gaza region, and also its fight against the Hamas terrorists is still going on. It's been months now that it's going on, and especially in that context, we see this becomes really critical to understand what exactly has happened, because this is the Israel embassy in New Delhi.
And Rakshita, that was the reason, because as you mentioned, the war is still going on and the situation in Israel and Gaza both are very critical, and that is the reason why more and more authorities, as soon as they got a call, they acted quickly. They acted in a span of 5 minutes. Let me tell you, the PCR van which was deployed on the around the front gate of Israel embassy, the first thing the PCR officials did was to call to the senior official, and that is the time when the bomb squad team, the fire officials, the fire teams, the special cell officers all came here outside Israel embassy, because the situation in Gaza, in Palestine, with Palestine, and the war which is going on between Israel and Gaza becomes very much critical, and there's an international debate altogether going on. And also, Rakshita, this is not the first time that such call was made. Earlier last month as well, such call was made, from which was reported that there was it was also a hoax call regarding a bomb blast outside Israel embassy, and that time also it was a hoax call. But the authorities in Delhi have been very vigilant and very critical of such calls. They never take such calls very lightly, and that is the reason why this time also, when an unidentified caller called Delhi police authorities stating he claimed that there was an explosion right next to the empty plot outside Israel embassy, the officials acted so quickly, so promptly, although they didn't find anything. But yes, the entire search operation, Rakshita, was carried out for almost 1 hour, and the senior officials of the Delhi police were also present at a spot, going through each and every searches themselves. They were searching through the bushes, each and every corner, and I asked my camera person Anil to take you to that very spot. Right now, Rakshita, this is the place where the search operation was going on. I showed you earlier as well that there was a seal by the Delhi police official. There was an entire yellow seal by Delhi police official which was placed here. I'll again show the seal. Rakshita, this is the seal which was put up by Delhi police official while they were conducting search operation. But right now, no forensic team, no special cell officials, no Delhi police team could clearly be seen, as all the sealed area has been taken out. And the seals have been reported, and the seals have been taken out. This is only the last seal of Delhi police which we are looking at right now. But we will go towards towards the corner area of this empty plot. I'll ask my camera person Anil to show you as how thoroughly each and every checks around this corner was done. This is the empty land right next to Israel embassy. If you see, these are the pillars of Israel embassy, the gate of Israel embassy, and right next to it, this the plot, and the huge bushes could clearly be seen. And beneath these bushes, inside these bushes, each and every corner was thoroughly checked by the search operation team, but they couldn't find anything, and that is the reason why special cell themselves mentioned that there was no bomb blast. The eyewitness statement has been taken by the Delhi police official. Also, the eyewitness, who is the guard, Rakshita, he also stated that he heard something like that there was a tire blast. So officials are also believing that there might be a tire blast as well. But still they will investigate. First they have to investigate that who the caller was, from which number he exactly called, where exactly, when and why did he call. Did he actually hear the bomb explosion, or it was a hoax call? So each and every nitty-gritty are being looked by the Delhi police official. But let us go outside, because the entire stretch of 20 to 30 meters, this entire stretch is now completely vacated. No police officials could clearly be seen, and this was the place where the entire operation was taking place. Search operation, the team of forensic, the Israel embassy, all were here, but now most of the Delhi police officials have left from the spot. As you can also see, none of the Delhi police vehicles we could see outside Israel embassy. Therefore, we are saying that the search operation have been concluded. Apparently, it was a hoax call. Rakshita, back to you.